Carolina border. We're going to the tail of the Dragon. We're on the way. We just came across this beautiful lake back here. About to head into the mountains here. And look at the sign I just saw. Motorcycle, high crash area next 11 miles. And it may be a Monday, but the bikes are just coming. So we are on top of, I don't know, what road is this that we're on?
You're on 427, you're on the Dragon.
This is the Dragon?
You're on the Dragon.
I came in the back side of it.
Yeah, when you saw those signs that said Kirby Road's the next 11 miles,
yeah,
you're officially on the Dragon.
Oh hell, we're on the Dragon.
You're looking at Fontana Lake.
Fontana Lake, check this out. It's absolutely gorgeous. So the bikes are coming in from all over the place. Right now, we've got just a bunch of people on a Monday afternoon collected on top of this lookout. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up my mic, get my helmet on, and we're about 1 mile in. I'm gonna run you guys the entire thing through on my helmet cam from 1 mile in the backside of the Dragon. So I'm gonna get my helmet set up and we'll roll. All right, y'all, we are here at Deals Gap. We're about 1 mile in the backside. Scooter and I are getting ready to ride. We're just kind of hanging out here talking to some people. We're gonna take you on the entire ride of the tail of the Dragon. Here we go. All right, y'all. Here we go. Tail of the Dragon. That is beautiful. So our elevation is pretty high. You can really feel the temperatures drop up here from where I was earlier today. Got some nice curves. So I think in total we've got about 11 miles yet ahead of us until we get to Deals Gap. And really, what is the entrance? I kind of came in from the backside, got 1 mile in this, and wait a minute, talked to some guys and they said, yeah, this is the Dragon. So I'm just gonna take it easy, because I want you all to see the ride. I don't want to just hammer through it as fast as I can. So I did the pig trail recently, and I just did a lot of shots of like, you know, the day up to the pig trail. You know, more of just like a daily vlog is what people have been asking for. But a recent guy said, hey man, we really want to see more of the ride. So this is for you, my friend. You said you want to see more of the ride. I'm going to give you the entire, minus the last 1 mile, tail of the Dragon. This is the best part of it anyhow. In total, it's 11 miles. The big trail I just did was 23 miles. So kind of give you a comparison there. There are some tight turns here. This is not a road for the amateurs. Although Scooter loves these twisties, man. I don't know if you can see him in the mirror there. But he loves these twisties. It's so funny because he just leans into them. Now for the beginners, the key to setting up a good turn, start on the outside, cut to the inside, end on the outside. Then you'd have to sway it up here and do the same thing back for that switchback. And you end up on the outside, come back to the inside. Always downshift before the turn. No brakes in the turn, only throttle. Alright? Try to stay steady and smooth on those turns. For those of you that don't know, I'm sure most of you watching do, but I'm always into helping people that have never ridden before ride. could do it again in a really fast paced session, but realistically, I think it's better to see it like this. I'll tell you one thing, in rides like this is where I really like the torque of this Milwaukee 8. You can get down in these corners like this, and if you just want to throttle out of them, you can really get going. Of course, that's not what we're looking for here. Whoa, man. Freaking kids. Risking people's lives, man. That's what they make tracks for, buddy. This is why I really don't like the Dragon. The last time I was up here, and I shouldn't say I don't like it, but this is what I don't like about the Dragon. Last time I was up here, same thing, man. Just people acting fools, riding completely unsafe, way over their skill levels, and yeah, it's just dangerous. It's almost not even worth it, to be honest. It is a nice run, although I will tell you, I don't think it's the nicest run I've ridden. I wouldn't even put it in the top 3. Matter of fact, there's more roads around the Smoky Mountain area that are better than this ride. Oh, right. It's just, this ride has gotten famous. It's really well publicized. I like a little bit more sweepy curves and all this hairpin stuff anyhow, myself. This hairpin stuff is fun, and it's a good, you know, it's a good test of your skill level, riding and stuff like this. But realistically, I like more sweeping turns. They got all these guys set up on these corners taking pictures of you. Give him a nice lead. I've been taking it easy. Even on a Monday, there's decent traffic out here, but on the weekends, it gets even worse. I will say though, even coming up here, man, I saw some beautiful roads coming up here, and I almost forgot how beautiful the Smoky Mountains are to ride. This is definitely one of my favorite riding areas. Maybe not just this road. I mean, there's not very many views, as you can see. It's just a lot of trees. Runs along this cliff over here. But it is nice and sweepy, and the road is well maintained. I'll give them that, you know, for the most part. It's just, I like the bigger stuff. I like the big corners and the big views and the high elevations. Myself. Mile marker 3. I wonder what that means. Not that I wonder what that means, but I wonder if it starts on 1. I guess is what I was trying to say. just nothing fun about that. Yeah, I guess maybe it does start a mile marker one. We'll find out. It's hard to believe that's only been 1 mile. You get in these twisties, we're doing, 35, 40 miles an hour. Yeah, we could do a little faster if we wanted to, but no point in it, really. Could not ask for better weather, though. I'm not sure what the temperature is, but it is comfortable. Nice and cool. Warms up a little bit when you hit the sun like this. Even that one a little tight. Side of the road, dude. So that's how stuff happens right there. Man, makes my heart drop. If you don't know, I got hit. All right, welcome to North Carolina. If you don't know, I got hit by a lady who came across the other line like that, hit me head on. Scooter was fine. I got life lighted out. Still only have 70% of my leg to this day, so when I see stuff like that, cars coming across that line, man, it absolutely makes my heart drop to this day. You can find videos back on my YouTube of where I got hit, showing some of them. All right, looks like we made it. That, my friends, is it. That is the entire tail of the dragon. Here we go. This will be good. Oh, you talking to him, buddy? Scooter's talking to the dogs. What's up? Was that a good ride? Was that a good ride, buddy? Huh? Was that a good ride? Okay, come on up. All right, we have made it at Tail of the Dragon Killboy. This is actually one of the photographers that's up there. And then over there is Deal's Gap, which is like the famous campground out here. So Scooter and I are just gonna walk around. Check this out. I wanted to take you guys and show you, it's kind of sad, but important reminder, I think. I call it the Tree of Shame. This tree is all parts of bikes that have wrecked on the Tail of the Dragon. And they strap them all to this tree here. And you can see there's a lot of wrecks happening and a lot of parts. I don't know who wrecked the big wheel. I know I wrecked a few of those back in the day. But yeah, it is the Tree of Shame. One list, one trophy, one award, one place to recognize motorcycles that I hope I never make. All right, y'all, that is it for today's vlog, riding the Tail of the Dragon. I do always say the Tail of the Dragon has one thing that no other road that I've ever ridden has, and that is a really good publicist. It's a lot of tight corners, there's a lot of cars showing out all across it. Really one of the more dangerous rides, I think, not just because of the corners, just because of the way people like to ride on it. It's something that you got to do, it's a bucket list thing, but in my opinion, in the Northeast Tennessee, North Carolina area, there's a lot better roads to ride. Although I did get my Tail of the Dragon sticker added to my bike, and I also added the Moonshiner 28. That, my friends, in my very humble opinion, is probably one of the best roads in the Smokies. So if you're out there, give that one a shot. Maybe I'll ride it all the way up and film it for you on my way back north towards New York, because we are giving away 3 more brand new Harley Davidsons. That's right. So all you got to do is just go on AdamSandovalRides.com, nominate a veteran. It's a 50-word or less essay, and who knows, maybe we'll be surprising them next. Our very last bike giveaway will be in New York right around Veterans Day, so we're really excited for that, because we're going to ride with the Wounded Warrior Project in the world's largest Veterans Day parade. Until our next vlog, thank you all for joining us. Thank you for coming along. I hope you enjoyed the Tail of the Dragon. If you've got any other roads you think I should ride, tell me right down there in the comments. If you have not yet, please consider giving us a subscribe. It helps us continue to travel and bring you more great roads and awesome people. So until the next vlog, Adam and Scooter telling you all to dream until your dreams come true.